Alright, what's Gucci, y'all? It's your boy 360 Sosa Done Did That, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cutoff t-shirt. I'm using my Slayer t-shirt today. I just hardly ever wear it anymore, and I figured I would use it to make a cutoff. It fits fine, but I just think that it would make a nice cutoff t-shirt, and I don't have any, so what you're going to need is, of course, a t-shirt that you want to cut, and then scissors will give a straight cut, and I don't want that. A knife will give more of like a raggedy cut. I think that'll look better for it, so of course, like always, buck 379 toothpick is what I'm going to be using to cut this shirt. But yeah, I just have the shirt on now so you can see how it fits on me right now, and then you can get an idea of how it will look after. So let's get into it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is essentially just take my knife, go a couple inches out from the neckline, and then go down to the side. So it'll probably be cut from here to here, kind of at an arc, kind of essentially just cutting the sleeve off, and that's it. But you can make it skinny right here if you want to. It'll be kind of like a tank top strap, and you can go further down on this if you want to. It'll show more of your stomach and your ribs, but I'm just going to do kind of a midway point just because I don't want the straps too skinny and I don't want to show my whole ribs yet. So we're just going to take it from here, and then, like I said, a couple inches out, probably like right here or so on both sides, and then it's going to come down to about right there. So again, buck 379. Gonna go a couple out like that, probably. That looks good. And then do the same thing. That's about 3.5 inches or so. Alright, so a couple inches to the side like that, and I'm going to do the same right here. Let's see, about right there. Alright, so that is one sleeve done. And again, I'm trying to go for a more raggedy look than a straight cut, so it might not be as clean as other people want, but if that's the case, then just use scissors instead of a knife. Maybe fix this really quick. And then just do the same thing on the other side. And that is how you make a raggedy cutoff. And again, if I want to, I can go in and clean some of that up, but I think it's gonna look completely fine. It's a little bit swayed. One side's a little bit different than the other, but that's okay for now. We'll just see how it fits, and then if it's not the same, then I can fix it. So let's see how it looks. All right, so this is how the cutoff fits right now. I washed it so it would fit how it's supposed to, of course. And when you wash it, it's going to curl the edges, but that's why I used a knife instead of scissors, so that way it would curl less and have less of a straight edge. So this is how it looks. The curling can come undone just by wearing it, and then, you know, you can also unroll it, but this is how it looks. I know it's uneven, you could probably see it right now. I might change that soon. All I need to do is either rip this with my hands or use a knife, but for now, it's pretty much how I wanted it to look. I wanted it to be kind of more raggedy and less clean cut, which is how it came out. So I like that. If I make them both the same, then it'll be like this on this side. So I'm not sure if I want that, just because I hate skin on skin like this, but it would look better to make it even. But this is how it looks. Also, this is how I look right now. I'm trying to make a video so that way I can get a baseline. I'm gonna start working out and then showing you guys what I'm doing for it, because I need to lose some fat on my body. Not used to having fat on my body at all. So I don't want to be ripped all the time. I want to aim for, like, I think 10 to 15% body fat is where I'm aiming for. Right now I'm at 25%, which is obese for my height and my age. So trying to get it down because I don't like being fat. It's fucking disgusting. So I'm trying to change that. But this is the shirt and this is how it looks, and it's gonna help me when I'm working out. So alright, so this is how the shirt looks. I hope you guys enjoyed the easy tutorial. It made this shirt a lot more wearable for me, so I like it. I didn't wear this shirt that often before. I used to wear it all the time, but then stopped wearing it. But now, since I made it the cutoff, I wear it all the time, just because now it's pretty much the only one I have anyway. But it looks really nice. I like the graphic for the cutoff too. It works very well together. So yeah, that's gonna be the video for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy. If so, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's your boy 360 Sosa. Sosa done did that. And I'll see y'all bitch asses in the next video. Peace.